weird.
California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, I
Where'd that go?
have a big yacht. Okay, everybody, we're gonna be checking out some myths. If you didn't see my last video, go check that last video out. So let's hop right into it. Alright, so myth number 1 is if you grab 2 teleport balls, you activate them at the exact same time, and then you drop them.
Where'd Beetle go?
It will cause you to glitch under the map, okay? Yeah, nothing happened. Myth busted. Alright, now we're going to go see if did they patch the little hole in the ground over here for the office update. Oh, nope, they didn't. Still not patched yet. I think they're just gonna keep it as something in the game. Not gonna lie. Myth 3 is that if you go to the office and you have the ID badge and you look at the first monster with the ID badge, the monster will freeze and it'll become friendly. Well, I already busted this myth. Well, my friend already busted this myth in my last video, and because
where'd he go?
He told me about it, so, yep.
That's the question. I don't know where I'm at.
Yeah, that was just
I'm gonna look on
him.
the tablet for you.
So, yeah, and then,
What do you see around you?
what's another myth?
I'm in sewers, but everything didn't load in. Hold on, I'm gonna quit the game and come back.
I think that guy's cooked. I think he's cooked. Next myth is that if you sing right here, you will get free company coins. Okay? Okay? I know a place where the grass is really greener. Warm, wet, and
Hey,
wild.
buddy, I got stuck.
Yeah, it doesn't work. Myth busted. Hey, that's my song. And my intro, so no. Whee! Next myth is that you can point the umbrella forward to not do the Mary Poppins fall. Myth confirmed. Alright. That's actually
Beetle,
pretty
you back?
cool. You can, like, gain speed. Okay. So, next myth is that if you use a grenade inside of a You're not in the app channel. You're not in the app channel. You know that, right? Here, wait, give me a sec. You're not in the app channel. You're in the game. I know. Alright, so
Anyways.
Oh, say can you
the next myth, before I was rudely interrupted by that man,
No, I can't.
is that if you get a grenade and a crossbow and you shoot the monster, the first 2 monsters with it in the office, they will immediately die. That myth is also confirmed. I did it in the last video. Well, DL did it. So, boom. Alright.
Pain is spot?
Keep it family friendly. Okay, so the next myth is that if you put something in this one, it'll give you less money than the other one. Let's go check it out. I have 2 fully loaded pistols.
Guy.
All right.
Yeah? Where are you, Quail? I'm over here in the other side.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Oh wait, I forgot to drop my tablet.
Come on. Okay. That gives me
Cheer.
20.
What was that?
Nice
Okay.
test here.
So that gave me 20 or 21. I don't remember. I have dementia. No, I'm kidding. That would be a shame, though. All right, now. Whoa, third one, nice. Okay, that gave me 21. So they both give the exact same amount. Myth busted. All right.
Another myth. If you put an empty flare gun in the generator, it'd give you
A third.
19 coins.
All right.
This one's
Let's
already
see.
shot.
Guys, I
Now?
have a myth to test.
Now.
I have a
Let's
myth
see.
to test.
Okay, let's see. Is Quail's theory correct? Oh, I'm cooked. Yep. Frick. It gave 21. The same
Well,
amount as another one.
that myth is confirmed.
Yep, it is confirmed. Yes, it is confirmed.
Myth confirmed.
Yeah, myth confirmed. DL's myth confirmed.
Hey, Everett.
Riddick, how much
Everett.
stuff do you have?
Everett, could you
How
hold
much
this?
stuff do you
Hey.
have?
Could you hold that?
Okay,
Why do you have so many flare guns?
because I
my
needed them. Okay. I needed them. Okay. Don't ask questions. We don't ask questions. We just answer them. I mean, we do both. Okay. Next myth is that
No. You know what?
if you run with
Good.
a longer object, you go faster. Okay, so I'm gonna start. Let's start from right here.
Myth confirmed.
Hey, Everett.
Okay,
I got confirmed.
it's Quail.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1,
Yeah, Quail.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 seconds. That was kind of slow.
Ahem.
Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Okay, now, let me just.
No.
Now I'm gonna try to find my stuff.
There we go. That'll blow that up. Are you serious? Okay. Now. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, gosh. Oh,
5, 6.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, it's faster! Oh my gosh, you scared me. He's got hovercrafts. You're always a
Found ammo
beetle.
over here.
You're always a beetle.
You can have it.
Okay. Now,
Incoming landing.
that myth is, I don't know, confirmed or busted. Depending on what I said, it's either confirmed or busted. I forget. Okay.
Hey,
Here.
Riddick, over here. Hey, look.
Hey.
Over here. Over here.
I'm retro, bro.
Okay, yeah, I know. Okay.
I think I need explosive ammo, though.
Another myth. Somebody come here with me.
Okay. What's the myth?
An arrow could stick in your forehead. Myth confirmed.
Myth confirmed, yes. Very much so.
Let me have that back. Thank you. Oh crap, it's in your neck.
Fortunately, I missed Beetle. So let's just.
How do you use these rockets?
Yeah, boy.
How do you use these?
Press the here. Wait, look. Let me show you.
Oh, never mind.
Oh. Here, look. Oh, he has the umbrella. Oh, you're cooked, Quail. You're cooked, Quail. No.
Is
Quail has went into the forest.
The orbit. Grab on. Grab
He's
on.
in-
This will be some good content.
Grab onto what? You? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yes, my pony. My pony. Giddy up! Giddy up! Giddy up! Giddy up! Okay. Oh, Horsey! Horsey went too long. Horsey went too long. Go, Horsey. Oh, he came back. Horsey, he came back. You know that, right? Horsey! Horsey, calm down. Horsey, calm down. Oh, red light, green light. Frick you. Oh, wait. It's not green. Why is it not green?
Everett just ran into my laser.
Oh, he just ran into your laser? Well, just... What?
Everett, did you run into my laser?
I told him about me diving the actor up. Go tell him about the nun thing. All right.
What actor?
You know the actor that played the Nazi, that was like the main commissioner that played the Nazi in the Sound of Music play today?
Yeah.
Well, I dabbed him up. Oh, no thanks. Hey, Horsey, come and get me if you can. I think Horsey's coming to get me. I don't... Is Horsey... Horsey can't get me. Okay, well, that's the end of the Mythbusters, but we do have a little bit of yapping to do. Alright, watch this. So, if you may not know already, there's this really annoying short kid in my class who thinks he is the main character in this show. Right, guys, isn't there an annoying pygmy in the class that thinks he is the main character of the show?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright. Boys.
Yes.
Y'all are gonna make a movie. Hold on.
Okay, what? Okay. I'm already recording. Should I stop recording or no?
No.
Okay.
Come on. Quail!
Quail, get over here!
Alright.
Okay.
Alrighty. Y'all are gonna make a movie. Y'all just sit right here.
Okay.
Alright.
We're making a movie.
Alrighty. Hold on, let me get on this table real quick. Face towards me.
Okay.
Take 1. Action. Bye-bye.
No! Get over here!
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna act like I'm gonna do your haircut. Hold on.
Oh, you're gonna give me a low taper?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you... Hold on. We're gonna be like that. Oh, you wanted braids?
Oh, yeah, okay. Wait, okay. Oh, you wanted braids? I got you.
Alright, come here. Sit on the table.
Oh crap! That was close.
Oh crap.
Okay.
Everett. Quail.
Quail,
Quail.
get your booty butt over here. I'm gonna shoot him. I'm shooting Quail.
I found something. There's like crates over here.
What? What crates?
There's crates over here. Like
Oh yeah.
crates.
I guess we'll do it right here. Come here.
Okay.
Quail, watch
Quail.
us.
Get
What are
back in
these-
here.
What are these supposed to do for?
It's
Watch
it's a
this,
map.
watch this. Hey, Quail. Okay, watch. Alright, let me. Okay. Cut. You're supposed to say, oh, you wanted.
I
Let's
want
say, oh, you
braids,
want a braid?
mister. I want blades.
Oh, you wanted braids! I got you.
Quail, quit it. I'm low on health. I'll say. Wow.
I can shoot you in the head right now.
I think I have a little bit
Alright,
of
come
gun.
here. Let me get you right. Let me get you right.
I'll say.
Here, just sit still. Here, don't use your arms. Just stand like this.
I'll say.
Who did I hit there?
Me.
I'm gonna hit you again.
I'll say. Hey. He puts them on your
Don't
back,
look
by the
what-
way. He puts them on your back, by the way.
Alright.
Okay.
Ah, God, if you don't know how to braid, hit that follow button. Let's go.
Alright,
You have a
Shake
little-
them, man.
you have a
Shake
little
them.
something
Let's
on
go.
you.
I can't wait to see my braids.
You have something on your
Shame.
arm
Oh, I do.
and your back. Oh, good.
I didn't get any braids. You know that, right?
No, look. Hey, can you like tell him that like?
I didn't get any braids, by the way.
I'm gonna shoot you in the head. It
Hold
doesn't
on.
hurt.
I didn't get any braids.
Buckets. Oh yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Look at
Come
it.
here. Here.
You got
Here, I'll
some
give you
stuff
some more
on your
braids. Come here.
arms.
Come here.
Okay.
Hey, y'all. Come here. Come here. We're gonna do a stunt. We're gonna do a skit. Alright,
Okay.
Act like y'all were just talking. Okay. Quail! Get over there.
Some on
sir.
tail.
Alright, y'all act like y'all are talking.
So,
Hi,
what's
tail.
your favorite type of gun?
Oh, I like the
Favorite
flare
gun.
gun. I also like the RPG a lot, though. Yeah.
Yeah.
You
This
know
is
what I
my
like?
favorite
You
arrow.
know what I like?
What?
You know what I like?
What?
Grenade.
Oh my god. Here, let's do
All our stuff got exploded.
alright,
other than
I'm gonna
some
do an
blood.
outro for this video, okay? California girls were unforgettable days. See, Dukes, I have a big yacht. Well, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you later.
Wait a minute.
Hold
Wait a
on!
minute.
Hold on! Don't stop it.
Why?
I need to tell them.
It's raining outside,
Okay.
guys.
I know.
In
Hold on,
reality, it's raining outside.
Hold on!
It's
Shut up!
morning time. Okay.
If there's anything bothering you, call 911. I would
No, call
rather you call 911 than call me, because I'm getting tired of this guy. Okay? Okay.
Call 912. Call 912.
Okay, goodbye, guys. Goodbye.